All right, so today's episode is trying to get a little scratch. I'm sure you guys saw the title of this video. Don't want to say that maybe someone keyed my car, but I'll show you right now. There is a scratch, and just gonna go and just try to remove that with some stuff that I got here at AutoZone. I'll show you what I did, and not happy when I saw it. There is people that are out there just hating on you too. This is my wife's car. She drives it. Barely. She works at home. But when she drives it, she goes to the store, whatnot. She doesn't park in two spots. She's not pissing anybody off. And she happened to call me and saw that there was a scratch. And it's disappointing to know that people are. If this was a scratch, you'll see it right now for your own eyes. But if this was someone that keyed it, then it sucks for people that are out there that are like that. But I'm going to show you if this has happened to you or your car. This is my method and what I've learned to get these little marks out. So for not delaying any further, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay. So this is it. It looks like it can be someone keying it or some scratching or some sort. It doesn't feel like it's that thick, so that's the good news. I think it is fixable, so we'll be able to tell. I think it did not penetrate the clear coat, so what I'm going to do is I'm testing it with microfiber towel and some water. Put some water in here. If it disappears with the water, then that means it didn't penetrate too much. So we'll see right now. What I mean is if it disappears with the liquid that comes back, that looks like it didn't go that much deep into the paint. So it'll come back right now. All right, well, let me show you what I got to take care of this mess. So what I'm gonna apply is, well, first I'm gonna sand it down. I was unsure which one I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go with the 5000 grit, wet sanding it. So I'm gonna tape it up, the area, sand it down, and then once it's pretty much buffed out with the sandpaper, I'm going to then apply this here. I got this at AutoZone. It's a Scratch X. It's a polisher, wax protection. Dap it on there, and then I'll just wait. Kind of apply it, wait a little bit, and then just buff it out with a microfiber towel. That should do the trick. Once that's good, then I'll apply some wax on there as well, compound, and then do the same application. So this is my method. Hopefully it works. If you're seeing this video, it probably did work, unless I'm like, you know what, screw it. Let me show you how I messed up, but otherwise, enjoy the ride. want to do is whenever you see that line, so it looks like it's coming off here, but not too much. I still got to do some more right here. So that line, you want to go perpendicular to the line. So in this motion, up and down, to kind of buff it out that way. This is the 5,000. Maybe I could have gone with 3,000 because the higher you get, the softer kind of it is. But I think it's working. I just got to do some more buffing right here. This maybe a little harder, but I can kind of see now it's kind of working. So let me just keep going at it until the line is completely kind of gone. That way then I can just buff it out with polish and all that. So let's continue to use this 5,000 until it gets better. So I'm letting it dry a little bit. I still see a little mark. I don't know if you can see that, but let's see if you can. Kind of through here. I'm sorry if you can't, maybe it wasn't the way, but I kind of see the line in this motion here. So it's not completely out. Let me keep going. If anything, I'm going to use the other. I'm going to use the 3,000 instead. But maybe this will kind of do the trick because it wasn't that bad looking, but maybe it is penetrated a little bit more than I thought. What I am spraying is this soapy water. So I'm just kind of again buffing it out with this sandpaper here. I got an AutoZone. It was like $6.99, $7. This is going to be a lot better thing to do yourself than paying hundreds of dollars for someone else to do this same type of work for you. Just sucks that I have to take the time out of my day to do this, but like I love my cars and I always park far away. I hate people slamming their car doors because people don't care. And that's everywhere you are. It doesn't matter what city you're in. People are not really gonna care if they have a bad car and it's just reality, but hopefully this can save you some time and stress about maybe just trying it on your own. I mean, if you don't think, just comment below if you think maybe there's a better way for me to do this. Let me know as well. I'm obviously here to learn, but I mean, it looks like I'm getting it out. It's just right now I can still see the lines still there. So I'm gonna try one more time after this dries. If it's still there, then I will switch to the 3,000. Hopefully it's a little bit stronger to get this out. I mean, the paint's still smooth. It's just there in the clear. Just gotta get it off the clear coat. So let me try one more time, and then if anything, I'll just switch this up. I think I got most of it out now finally with the same 5,000 grit. Now I'm gonna apply the scratch remover type of thing. I'm gonna move this down a little bit more, so I still know where I'm working with, but giving myself more room. I don't want like an even line. So let me just wait for this to dry a little bit more. I think I got most of it finally. So I'm using just the 5,000 grit and just water and then spraying it down. So yeah, happy with that. Let's cut to just using the scratch polisher remover and see how that works. Buff action, just tap it on here, buff it out, and then I'm a little sit dry for about maybe a couple minutes, maybe 2 to 5 minutes. Let it dry in there, let it penetrate in the clear coat, and then I'll wipe it off with the microfiber towel, and I will let you know how that looks in just a second, guys. Hang on tight. Okay, it's pretty much dry. I'm gonna just wipe it out here. And I think it worked, guys. I don't see any marks anymore. So I'm either a genius or someone else is just a genius. I'm just copying them. But either way, it worked. And I'm probably just gonna return the 3,000 grit, but I think overall I spent like 35 bucks, honestly. This is what I use. Again, you guys tell me what you guys use. I mean, simple stuff you can get at AutoZone. And this is for like light scratches, you know, nothing like too like deep into the paint. Those are probably gonna require a lot heavier job than this. And unfortunately, I mean, it couldn't have been just like someone keying my car. It could have been me, like something hitting it, the terrain or something. So me maybe with a zipper or someone with a zipper on accident. Whatever the case is, things like this happen, but now you know, easy fix. So I'm gonna show you just a little bit. The last step is just to apply the compound wax into this here, and that should do the trick. So please like, guys. I want to keep my channel growing so I can show you some more stuff. Thanks for those of you who are subscribing. I appreciate you, and you don't know how much that means to me. So this is all for you guys, my little fan club. And I respond to your comments, so comment, I'll respond. I'll follow you back too. If you have your channel and looking to grow, I support you as well. But otherwise, I'm gonna apply this and show you the camera with the light and see how it end up being. buffed everything out. I'm gonna show you how it looks like now. And I spent 20 minutes at most, and now it's all gone. So I feel much better. You hate having a car, especially a new car. You take care of it, and then something like that happens. It's just not a good feeling for me. I don't know about you guys, but for me, don't like it. So let's show you how it looks, and very happy. All right, wax and everything. There is no signs of any scratches. Gotta clean it now. There was a few storms out here in California, but much needed rain finally. Can't complain. But now that everything is kind of getting sunny, I'm gonna take another clean of it, wash of it, I mean. And then the next video I'm gonna do is show you, see the red brakes? I already got the new brake color I'm gonna do on my next video to show you what we chose. We're not gonna go with red anymore. And wifey's choice, I'm not a fan of the red too. That's why I changed my Mustang to yellow, my white Mustang. But we will change this one up, and it will have the Brembo on it as well. It is Brembo brakes, but this one doesn't say Brembo. Well, we will change that. We will change that. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, wow, great. The metallics are still shining, the car is still smooth. I just kind of just fixed the clear coat. And look at that metallic, man. That is one beautiful color. If you guys are still debating on this color, you know, this is the one. This one is badass. It's for both, you know, I think if you're in the market for an aggressive look and classy, this is it, I think. And, you know, very happy. So thanks guys for watching again. And then until we get to the next video, thank you.